Hey folks, JC here, CarLogic Group, the home of the Guaranteed Credit Approval and First Time Buyers Program. Today we have a very unique vehicle. This is a 2009 Volkswagen Beetle, mini compact, front wheel drive with a 2.5 liter, 5-cylinder engine. And this vehicle has 150 horsepower. Runs on regular gas, going to get 20 miles per gallon in the city, 28 on the interstate, 23 combined. It's a great looking vehicle, plenty of power. Plus, you've got a 14-gallon gas tank. Now this vehicle is overdrive, automatic, halogen headlights, 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. What a great looking vehicle. Now, like I said, you've got 150 horsepower here. Plenty on the interstate when you're driving. You've got front wheel discs and rear drums, 4-wheel ABS. Got front airbags and independent suspension. Traction control, daytime running lights. This vehicle is lots of fun in the sun. Hey, come on by and check it out. Look at these lights. I love the way it's shaped. Really European look. A complete original look right here. And they're timeless. The Volkswagen is timeless. The whole concept of Volkswagen was for compact cars. And this is just a real great, awesome looking vehicle. Okay, let's check out inside. Now you got power windows, power door locks, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel, automatic with overdrive, Volkswagen system, AM FM with MP3, air blows ice cold, heated seats, and there's your automatic. Now you also have a sports mode, so if you wanted to drive it and shift it like a manual without the clutch, it'll do that for you too. Give you that exhilaration of the drive. In the back, 2 seat belts. This is a really, really unique and great looking vehicle. Folks, come on out and see us. CarLogic Group right here in Mount Juliet, Tennessee. We're 12295 Lebanon Road. Or you can hit us up on the web, carlogicgroup.com. Or give me a call, 615-281-9425. By the way, the top is like a brand new. Everything does what it's supposed to do. It's a great looking vehicle. Come on by and see us. JC, CarLogic Group. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.